Y'all know we love a good voiceover, okay? So come with me to work to do my hair. I did a client's hair, but y'all know me. After I did the client's, I had to do my hair. So today was touch up day. I touched up some boho knowledge braids, and then when she left, I began to touch up my braids. Y'all gotta excuse me. I don't know what's going on right now, but I know that life is life, and this video had to get done. Okay, whether I wanted to get done or not, and I only touched up 6 braids, so don't even worry about the rest of my head. Just know that I only touched up 6 braids at the front, and I'm gonna show you how I did it because some of y'all just need to know. I don't know why I'm yawning. Really tired. It's like I'm doing everything all at once. But I know it's going to pay off. So first, I'm going to cut off the braids. I sectioned off the braids that I wanted to retouch. And then I cut them immediately so I don't change my mind. Because I'll change my mind and throw those braids to the back and be like, okay, I'll do it tomorrow. Knowing darn well I don't want to do them braids again over tomorrow. So I cut them all at one time to make sure that I'm locked in on my hair. Okay, so first you want to I like to use like a scalp tonic because I'm not rinsing my hair again. So I use like a scalp tonic. I'll spray some water to loosen up the product that's already on my hair, the gels and stuff. The scalp tonic, it lifts up the dirt and off of my scalp. And then you can take a comb and some water and you just spray and just kind of slide that stuff off your hair. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If you don't, I don't know what to say, but you want to just start braiding your hair. See, it looks fresh. Okay. And just start braiding your hair. Now this, I should do like a look and learn. I think I'm going to bring back the look and learns with the mannequin heads. Let me know in the comments if that's a good idea. I already planned on doing it, so it's nothing that y'all can do to change my mind. I'm going to bring back the look and learns with the mannequin. I never stopped doing the look and learns. I just stopped promoting the look and learns. But we can bring it back. A lot of people do not know how to braid still, and I didn't even know that it's over 4 billion people in the world, and a lot of them don't know how to braid. And if you want to learn how to braid, let's start this year. This year you can learn how to braid, okay? I'm going to have different tiers, okay? We're going to have a $25 tier. We're going to have a $50 tier. We're going to have a $125 tier, and we're going to have a $275 tier, I'm sorry. And we're going to have a $300 tier. Those tiers is going to help you get to the level that you need to get to when it comes to braiding your own hair and braiding other people's hair. I'm going to help you master your braids. I'm going to help you master your braids because it's needed, okay? So obviously when I finished doing my hair, I think I put my press-ons back on, baby. I put out my perfumes that I sell in the salon suite. Because it's all about being yourself at this point. You need to be yourself. And I don't know why I'm getting stopped up just talking to y'all, but I don't know. But you want to be yourself every chance you get, and I inspire you to be yourself. I inspire you to be yourself, okay? Because that's the way that it needs to be, okay? So let's take down. I ended up rolling my ends because I didn't want them straight. They needed to look like the rest of my hair. But, of course, my curls are the front are tighter. And it came out really cute. I'm going to leave these braids in for like 2 more weeks. And then I'll redo my whole head. And I'll come back on here and we'll do my whole head. So that'll be a look and learn as well. I'll try to get as detailed as possible on the look and learn on here when I do the large knowledge braids again. So if you want to learn how to do your own knowledge braids, I recommend you subscribing to this channel because I'm going to show you how to do them. I'm going to show you how to do your own knowledge braids from start to finish, okay? So make sure that you grab some snacks, grab some water, grab some juice, and hit the subscribe button and share this video with at least 3 people that want to learn how to do their own hair as well. Because not only do I do braids, I incorporate treatments using natural herbs and botanical extracts, okay? And if you follow Natural Sessions Co. on Instagram, I have more videos up. And then I have more community engagement on Instagram as well. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, it's Natural Sessions Co. All the platforms are Natural Sessions Co. That's the best way I can put it for you, okay? So I started selling beauty supply things in the salon, and it's going well. I'm trying to find these press-ons that I found in Kentucky. I need to bring them to H-Town because the girlies need them. We need them. I need them again. I just took those off and threw them in the trash yesterday. So I'm in need for those press-ons again. Trying to open my lip gloss. The lip gloss gets open. My lips are ashy. Putting on the honey jelly. The honey jelly is a really creamy consistency. I like it. It lasts. It lasts. Y'all know how some lip gloss go on and every 5 minutes you got to keep applying? Hell no. This lip gloss right here, this honey jelly, this lasts. I think I don't know. I can't give y'all the exact time frame, but we'll do another video on the exact time frame, okay? But this one right here, oh, I don't want nothing else right now until I find another one. But my aunt came in the salon yesterday and showed me a NYC butter something. She said she has to buy 3 of them off Amazon because they're selling them too high in the beauty supply store. So if y'all see them in the salon suite next, make sure that you grab 2, okay? Because those, I love the way when she did the demo in the chair the other day. When she did the demo, it was so good. Y'all even went home and started dancing. I feel so good. And let me tell y'all something about y'all hair and who y'all letting y'all head. Let me tell y'all, hair is a spiritual game. Doing hair is very spiritual. You can't let everybody in your head. That's a no-no, okay? I don't know why I'm getting stuffed up, but it's really annoying. I'm going to talk to y'all later, okay? Watch my video on TikTok. Make sure y'all follow Natural Sessions Co. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. And I'll see y'all later. I love y'all. Bye.